The meaning of where are we? Where are we is Tekonika. Tekonika. The meaning of where are we? Where are we is Tekonika in Nuer language. The meaning of we are at school. We are at school. We are at school. Tekon Dulgora. Tekon Dulgora. We are at school. Tekon Dulgora. We are having a class. We are having a class. Tekon ke class. We are having a class. Tekon ke class. The meaning of we are having a class is Tekon ke class. Those are the school children. Those are the school children. Toto ke God will gora. Those are the school children. Toto ke God will gora. Those are the school children. Toto ke God will gora. That is the teacher. That is the teacher. Momo ajen ngich. That is the teacher. Momo ajen ngich. That is the teacher. Momo ajen ngich. That is the class. That is the class. Momo ajen class. Momo ajen class. That is the class. Momo ajen class. What are we doing? What are we doing? Ngu let konamo. What are we doing? What are we doing? We are learning. We are learning. We are learning. We are learning. We are learning a language. We are learning a language. We are learning a language. I learn Tognat. I learn Tognat. En Tognat ngach. En Tognat ngach. I learn Tognat. En Tognat ngach. You learn English. You learn English. Jin tok English ngach. Jin tok English ngach. You learn English. Jin tok English ngach. Jin tok English ngach. I learn Nuer. I learn Nuer. Jen tok Nuer ngach. Jen tok Nuer ngach. I learn Nuer. Jen tok Nuer ngach. Jen tok Nuer ngach. The meaning of we are, where are we? Where are we? Malorka jana Tekonika. Tekonika. We are at school. Tekon Dulgora. We are having a class. Tekon class. Those are the school children. Those are the school children. Toto kagadul gora. That is the teacher. Momo ajen ngich. That is the teacher. That is the class. Momo ajen class. That is the class. What are we doing? What are we doing? Engu let konamo. What are we doing? Engu let konamo. We are learning. We are learning. We are learning a language. We are learning a language. I learn Tognat. I learn Tognat. En Tognat ngach. En Tognat ngach. I learn Tognat. You learn English. You learn English. Jin tok English ngach. Jin tok English ngach. I learn Nuer. Jen tok Nuer ngach. Jen tok Nuer ngach. Jen tok Nuer ngach. Here, where are we? Tekonika. We are at school. Tekon Dulgora. We are having a class. Tekonka class. Those are school children. Tatoka Gadulgora. That is the teacher. Momo ajen ngich. That is the class. Momo ajen class. What are we doing? Angulet konamo. We are learning ngech kanekon. We are learning a language. Ngech kanekon katok. I learn Tognat en chatok na ngach. You learn English. Jin chatok English ngach. You learn Nuer. Jen chatok Nuer ngach. Please follow for more. Let's look at the meaning of this word. Mitigate. Mitigate is use recapping. Use recapping. Mitigate, use recapping. Pragmatic. Pragmatic mean lena dwara katet. Lena dwara katet. Pragmatic lena dwara katet. eloquent, eloquent, right-cated, right-cated. The meaning of eloquent, right-cated. Ke rach, mengech, ranem, ngech, chermira, mengech mandan lada. Lucid, lucid, rany merong, loy nat. Rach merong, loy nat. Lucid, rach merong, loy nat. Lucid, rach merong, loy nas. Chana kul rajagwa. Mitigate malude. Mitake ring di mudong matuok. Dobo dande je pinka je reka mo. Yen chwali mitigator. Youth reka pin. Youth ka rek pin. Ke ba reka mo ba je reduce. Rek youth pin chwali mitigate. Youth reka pin. Read and vocabulary. Pragmatic. Pragmatic. Lodeni lene duara ketet. Mulat ka duar ketet. Alo chala theoretically. Lat ka je physically. Alo waran bawlet. Chala pragmatic. Lene duara ketet. Alo chabulan jarengit ka bankawach. Balat alo titin. Within mandan lat ka. Chala pragmatic. Lene duara ketet. Eloquent. Eloquent malude jane. Right-cated. Shirakara ngay duar. Ngay jaman lada. Right-cated. Ki mulad right to go. Shale eloquent. Eloquent, right-cated. Lucid. Lucid malude jane ne. Right murong loy nat. Right murong loy nat. Shiraka right mishub loy nat. Right muku understand. Ki right mangayke. Shale lucid. Ajan loda mone. Lucid, right murong loy nat. Please follow for more. The meaning of I. I is wang. Wang. The meaning of I is wang. The meaning of I is wang. Wang. I is wang. The meaning of nose. Nose. Womb. Womb. The meaning of nose. Womb. The meaning of mose. Tok. Tok. Mose. Tok. The meaning of tongue. Tongue. Lip. Lip. Tongue. Lip. The meaning of teeth is lech. Lech. The meaning of teeth is lech. The meaning of air. Air is miem. Miem. The meaning of air is miem. The meaning of head. Head is which. Which. The meaning of head is which. The meaning of face. Face is nyam. Nyam. The meaning of and. And is tet. The meaning of and is tet. Let's explain. I maludo gwasame la I malud I karwad. I luna wang. La wang kel. I luna wang ko teles. Mi chakol chol I is gwatame I is me bukule la wang. Wang karo. Wang akel, wang karo. I akel, I is karo. Gwatame I is wang. Chala ke wang atungnat. Nose. The meaning of nose is womb. Womb. Mi chakol kes da la womb. You know, nose gwatame mo a womb. Mi chal noses. Da de chol woman tam de ga chol womb. Do na me a woman man. Mose. Mose a me tok. Mose a tok. Mose a tok. Tongue. Tongue malu de lip. Lip. Tongue a lip. Lip ran. Kale tongue. Teeth malu de. Teeth lut kene lech. 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 Mi chale toes ba chole le. Mi akel teeth ba chole lech. Okay, air. Air guadum lo na miam. Miam. Air, miam. Head. Head lo da ni which. 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 Face. Face lo da ni niam. La niam kara, niam ran. An. An lo da ni tet. Tet. An lo da ni tet. Please follow for more. Borrow. Borrow mean den. The meaning of borrow, den. Len is Mikamarandor. Mikamarandor. Take. Kania. Kedin. Take. Give. Metabidor. Give. Metabidor. How. Michidor kankaran. Kakania. Kame. Kekania loja. How. Shala how. You hoe me. My friend. Mazda. My friend. Mazda. Your friend. Mazdu. Your friend is Masdu. His friend Mazda or Mazdolomo. His friend Mazda. Her friend Mazda or Masnyamo. Masnyamo ki Masnyamo. Their friend Masnika. Their friend Masnika. The meaning of borrow maludajan edin. Mishi dorchiu den karanchi jogono kamne dunurun ba shwali borrow edin. Lena me bani mi kamran dor shwali len mi kamran dor. Tek jograno kania kienanga kidi jogano denaba edin one sometime tek. Give mitobidor. Give lurene mitobidor. How me michi dor she kan karan ka kenya loja. Michi dor kan karan ka kenya loja shwale ho. Shwale ho. Michi dungran she kan ka kenya loja balaro ngakti ke dunda shwale ho. Chang chala laneji ka dor baran ka ketel michi lat kaja jena you hoe him or you hoe her. Madere lat ka mugwa ko je lat ka mugwa. My friend is Malude Mazda. My friend Mazda, she my friend with S. Micha mukas gwa dare kule la mesnika neme Mazda. My friend Mazda. Your friend Mazdu. Your friend Mazdu. My friend Mazda. Your friend Mazdu. His friend Mazda. His gwad maraja ka kwidol ki wut de larde Mazdolomo. His friend Mazdolomo. Her friend mani alune Mazda. Her malura ni nyamo ki gwaramo. Mas nyamo ki mat gwarkanamo. Her lune raja kwinyal friend kan jan mas. Their friend Masnikian. De kolarbo Mazda chira Mazdian man chedia Masnikian da la Mazdian. Mazdian man de cholo Mazdian. So please follow for more. Thank you. The meaning of father. Father is gwar. Sometime gwar ludenu my father. Gwar. Mishawi your father ludenu gur. Father gwar. Mother mar. Mishiranwa mar ludenu my mother. Mar. Person ran. Person ran. Life tick. Life tick. Important miteka luang. Important miteka luang ki miteka bom. Work let. Works let. Which are gor work a check there kulela lat ne mene let going one get to a s taten. Heart, the meaning of heart is boom ki boom heart. Support luck. Support is luck. The meaning of support is luck. Family is jiching. Family jiching. Teach ngich. Teaches ngich. Encourage shom, or you can use the word shom. Encourage shom or shom. Let's repeat it one more time, okay? The meaning of father is gwar. What about the meaning of mother? Mar. The meaning of person is ran. The meaning of life is take. The meaning of important is meteka luang. Works is let. The meaning of heart is boom. The meaning of heart is boom. The meaning of support is luck. The meaning of family is jicheng. Jicheng. The meaning of teaches is ngich. Ngich. The meaning of encourages shum. Shum or shum. Please follow for more.